This is a special weather statement, issued at 4:25 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clark County in southwest Washington, eastern Columbia County in northwest Oregon, Cowlitz County in southwest Washington, and northwestern Skamania County in southwest Washington, until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Shore to Columbia City, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The following locations impacted include Johnston Ridge Visitor Center, Mount Vista, Amboy, Westside Highway, Yale, Carroll's, Lexington, Longview, Rainier, Woodland, Goble, Lakeshore, Warren, Castle Rock, Coldwater Ridge Visitor Center, Dollar Corner, Ariel, Ridgefield, Toutle, Farger Lake, Coldwater Lake, and Kelso. This includes the following highways in Washington: Interstate 5 between mile markers 8 and 55, Interstate 205 near mile marker 37, State Route 4 between mile markers 60 and 62, State Route 503 between mile markers 10 and 18 between mile markers 20 and 21, and between mile markers 31 and 54, State Route 504 between mile markers 1 and 12, between mile markers 32 and 40, and between mile markers 43 and 51. In Oregon, this includes U.S. Highway 30 west of Portland between mile markers 24 and 48. For your protection, move indoors immediately. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, and avoid windows. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter.